The Due Process Clause is central to our form of government. It's central to your rights as an individual within the United States. Basically, it says government cannot take something away from you without due process. And over the years, the state or the court, the Supreme Court, the federal courts, have decided that depending on what it is, you need to have a certain type of process. So let's talk about that. For instance, if the government is going to take away part of your property, well, you need to have a hearing in front of somebody. You need to have a right to be heard. You need to have the notice of the hearing and the right to be at the hearing. So, for instance, another example is public school expulsions. So everybody has a right to have a free education through 12th grade. If the government is going to take that away from you by expelling you from school, you have to have a hearing. You have the right to have a hearing. You have the right to be present at the hearing. Usually you have the right to have a lawyer present at the hearing. Now, if the thing they're taking away from you is very valuable, so let's say your freedom or even your life, if they're going to try to put you in jail, then the level of due process increases. And the government has to go through different steps to take away that right, to take away your liberty, to take away your life. So if they're going to try to put you in jail, then you have all of the rights of a criminal defendant. You have all of the rights contained within the 4th, 5th, 6th, and 8th Amendments. Now, if they're going to take away your life, then the level of due process actually increases even more. So if you kind of think of it as a scale, so if you're going to get expelled from school, you have due process, but not that much. If they're going to put you in prison, you have, again, more due process. And then if they're going to try to execute you, you have even more due process. So think of it, due process as kind of a continuum. What's at stake and what does the government have to do to take it away from you?